Here we are at KRE Race Engines and we've got Kenny Mack, the CEO himself, here to take us for a workshop tour.
Mr. Horsepower, show us where it's all made.
No problem, mate. Follow this way and we'll go and have a look.
So we are at the engine supplier for the RedBull Holden Racing Team, KRE Racing Engines. So the new facility here is pretty cool.
So this is our stripping room where the motors come in.
Do they normally come pretty clean or are they just straight out of the car?
Nah, most of them pretty good. Most of our guys wash all the mud off them.
Some of the engines they create here at KRE are just unreal. Supercar motors, sprint car motors, and then even trophy trucks. It's a pretty awesome place.
It's where all the machining gets done for the engines. So obviously the block hone, it'll hone each cylinder individually, turn the block over, hone the other cylinders individually. So yeah, this is all the cylinder head stuff. That's probably the main part of the engine that makes power. It'll go down and cut the seats.
It's taking a fair bit of material, isn't it?
Yeah, each team's got their own design. Once you've homologated it, that's what you've got. That's the bit that makes or breaks the motor.
Kenny's a hoon from way back. Yeah, basically he's growing up just doing burnouts in the main street. Yeah, horsepower and spinning the wheels, that's absolutely in his blood.
So guys, this is our spare parts room. All the parts for all the engines in stock here.
That lift.
Yeah, mate, Hilton Hotel. Jeez. I'm still building engines when I'm 80 and I can go up and down the lift.
Go again.
The next step's the assembly rooms. That's where the boys put all the motors together. Just one of the supercar motors in here being built, ready for Bathurst.
And do you do it in parts or Cam do the whole motor here?
Cam do the whole lot himself.
There's still a big part of the population think that we pull an engine straight out of a Commodore and give it a few tweaks and bore it out a little bit and off you go. But there's unbelievable amounts of work that go on to make sure it's got good power, but also make sure the engines are reliable every single time they hit the track. And this is sprint car engine. Yeah. How much power do these make?
That one was just under 880.
Ooh, she's still warm.
Well, you drove one too. You hardly use full throttle.
Oh yeah.
So once the motors are put on the cart, we'll come through into the dyno rooms. So he's just finished off the supercar now, so that's just as it runs in the car, exhaust system from the car.
It's a good looking engine, isn't it?
New facility, seeing all the different categories of motors laid out, assembly, the cleanliness of everything, attention to detail, and on the dyno as well, it's pretty awesome.
I think it's something that Kenny and the crew here should be really proud of.